Well, hello, I'm back again. Today we're gonna do our cash stuffing for our March Paycheck 2. I was so behind on all the cash stuffing. I had no idea how behind I was, but now we're getting all caught up. So let's get right into it, okay? Woo! All right. This is just all I've been doing. It's just counting and putting money away and making sure that I have the right money in the right places, okay? Which I'm not 100% sure I do, but we're going to try to make it work, all right? So I already pulled out the $262 and set that to the side for sinking funds. Our next thing is $14 for student loans, which of course, I don't actually have any ones to make change. So, okay. I think I do. I have a 10 and I have a 5, so I have 15, which means if I put $1 back, that's $14. So let's go ahead and do the 5 and let's do the 10, and that gives me 14. And let me start my little tracking on my little note card. I really prefer, okay. All right. So this is March Paycheck 2 budget with my chicken scratch. I write like my daddy. Let's see, this is student loans. And now we're getting, so we're at 20, 40, 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 56, 57, 58. We're at $58. So we'll put that away. The birds are cawing. Spring is coming. I am so excited. All right, set that to the side. Check. So then we're looking at going down. Our next one is $10 for giving. Giving was empty, which I was not expecting that to be a thing. So $10 for giving. And I don't really count giving, so I'm just going to leave that as is. Okay. That one's done. Moving down, $10 for house emergencies. Whoop, whoop. House emergencies. 10. Oh, well, let me count it up. $10. I feel like I just pulled out way too much money, and I don't know why. I'm going to have to really figure that one out. Anyways, the $10 for that. Take that $10. Put that away. Add it up. 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64. 64 bucks for house emergencies. That's fantastic. Put that aside. Great. Car emergencies, which is doing much better than the house emergencies. It also gets $10. Fantastic. Add that up together. 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75, 80, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89. 89 for car emergencies. We're almost at $100. That's super exciting. Car emergencies. 89. Yay. And a new car gets 5. And that should be everything. Oh, I have $1 left over. Okay. So I was like almost on target. I might go ahead and just put that dollar somewhere. I was so close. 5. There we go. I don't know where that dollar needs to go. We have that $1 left over. So I guess I have pulled just maybe $1 extra than what I needed to pull out. So not that bad. So new car. And that gets 5, so now we're at 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23. Yay! I'm just excited to have anything going towards the new car because last time I didn't even save that much for that. So we have $1. Whoop whoop. I don't even remember what that was. Was it 20, 10, 15, 20, 23? Okay, it was 23. And that is why I write that down. Okay, so I will set that probably here for now, till I can go and add all that up. So that didn't take that long. That was pretty quick and pretty painless. So that's it. That's our cash stuffing for our March Paycheck 2. And next video will be sinking funds. And you all know how I love and how I feel about my sinking funds. So let's get into that one. Thanks for watching. Hope you're having a great one. Hope life is going swell for you. I'll see y'all later. Have a good one. Bye.